Psychology shows that cutting off old friends is rarely impulsive, cold, or heartless. It usually occurs after a prolonged period of quiet emotional calculation. After being in a relationship for a number of years, relationships do not end abruptly. Over time, they realize that the relationship is no longer right for them. Here's what psychology actually reveals. 1. Their identity has shifted faster than their social circle. Values, boundaries, and self-image shift as people mature. The mind seeks alignment when identity changes, according to psychology. Old friendships often reflect earlier versions of the self, versions that are focused on survival, confusion, or constraint. It can feel like you're being pulled back into an old role just to stay connected. Cutting off contact becomes a way to protect identity stability, not a rejection of history. 2. Emotional labor became one-sided over time. Psychologists say that relationships rarely end because of a single major disagreement. They end because of emotional imbalance. When one person consistently listens, supports, explains, or adapts, while the other remains unchanged, the cost quietly accumulates. Eventually, the brain stops seeing the relationship as connection and starts registering it as effort. Distance then feels like relief. 3. They ceased speaking about themselves. Silence is one of the most obvious psychological cues that precedes a cutoff. People stop arguing in favor of their choices, clearing up misunderstandings, or requesting to be seen. Psychology explains this as emotional withdrawal, not apathy. When someone feels repeatedly misunderstood, the mind conserves energy by disengaging. Cutting off friends often happens only after communication has already failed internally. 4. They outgrew the role they were assigned. People frequently become fixed in their identities as a result of long-standing friendships. The funny one, the weakest, the reckless one, the quiet one. Psychology demonstrates that when a person moves beyond that role, they may experience suffocating resistance from others. The cutoff isn't about disliking friends. It's about refusing to stay confined to an outdated version of the self. 5. They accepted. Conversation does not always bring closure. One of the hardest psychological shifts is realizing that not every ending needs an explanation. No matter how clearly it is explained, some people won't be able to comprehend. Psychology shows that emotionally mature individuals accept silent closure when dialogue no longer leads to insight. 6. Distance becomes the boundary. Cutting off old friends doesn't mean someone is cold, arrogant, or ungrateful. Psychology shows it often means they finally chose coherence over chaos. Not all connections are meant to last forever. Some are meant to shape you and then release you. 7. The healthiest minds learn when holding on costs more than letting go. Have you ever ended a friendship because you outgrew it, or because staying felt heavier than leaving?